back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove view only on Google Sheets. So I'm just going to open up my Google Sheets real quick, and I am going to select the share button here. And as you can see, it's viewer. So you can either make them a commenter, you can make them an editor, or you can remove the access straight away. Or if you have anyone with the link and it says like viewer here, make sure you select restricted if you don't want people to view your Google Sheets, or if this tutorial is trying to help you make them edit or comment on Google Sheets, you can change it here. Once you're done, just select done, and that's it. I'm just going to select restricted and I'm going to press done to save. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!